Dear students, good afternoon. Today I am going to teach you narration. Narration is a common word. People talk every day. They talk in two different ways. One is direct and the other one is indirect. So narration has we narrate things in two different ways, direct and indirect. But each narration has two portions. One is a reporting verb, another is reported speech. A reporting verb and a reported speech. Reporting verb, it shows who is the speaker, whether it is first person, second person or third person, whether it is in present or past. So repeat speech, reported speech, they are the actual words of speaker, or what we narrate to other person. They are these are the words spoken by the speaker. For example, he said. This is reporting verb, and I go to school. I go to school. This is reported speech. Reporting verb, reported speech. In this sentence, this portion of the sentence or this narration shows who is the speaker and what he has said. The actual words are in these quotation marks. They are the actual words of speaker. I go to school. It is said by the person who is going to school. It is direct speech. When we pass on the same information to an other person, we change it into indirect. For example, he said, to finish, to cut these inverted commas, we use here conjunction that. Now person gets changed. Who is saying? We are talking about third person, and third person, it is the same person who is going to school. So I get changed into he. He. Now in reporting verb, if reporting verb is in present, reported speech remains unchanged. If reported verb is in past, reported speech gets changed into past. But we have to remember one thing. We should know what kind of person we have to use here. Here it is third person, so I will change into third person. I will change into he. He. Go is first form of verb, it is present, but in reporting verb it is past. So we have changed this verb into past. He went to school. It is just an example. To make it you understand, we should know the rules, and we should recapitulate, we should remind that we have learned about the sentences. We have four kinds of sentence: assertive or declarative, imperative, interrogative, and exclamatory. There are different rules for these sentence. Let's learn about assertive sentence, how to change a direct speech into indirect speech when it is assertive sentence. In case of assertive sentence, if reporting verb is he says, I write a letter. He says, I write a letter. So in this sentence, let's look at this portion, at the portion of reporting verb. He is third person singular. Says is first form of verb. So reporting verb here, it is in present. Now when reporting verb is in present, reported speech remains unchanged. it remains same except the person. So it will change, yeah, it will become as he says. In place of commas we use that. So I will get changed into he. He. Right is first form of speech, first form of verb, it will remain same. He write a letter. But there is one grammatical mistake, that is I have used here write. Write is first form, but here the person is third person. As we know, in case of third person singular, we add ses to a verb when it is third person singular. So here we have to write he writes. We have to add here s with the verb. So it becomes like he says that he writes a letter. If I will take the same sentence in next example, he said, I write a letter. So it will change into he said. Said is past. I have already told you, when reporting verb is in past, report speech gets changed into past. That person he write its second form, wrote a letter. This is in case of present simple. I write a letter, it is present simple. So it will remain same in case of past. When reporting verb is in past, if it is present simple, it will change into past simple.